Hey everyone and welcome back to the experience. Today we are come with this very simple math question. 36 divided by 3 parenthesis 6 plus 6. This is a simple but a tricky one. So try to solve within 10 seconds. Your time start now. Okay, time's up. So we will solve with the help of order operation PEMDAS. And if you have already solved this question, then try to solve the second question. Here we will solve first this parenthesis part first, which is 6 plus 6 will give result here 12. So we will write 36 divided by 3 times 12. Again 36 divided by 12 times 3, which equals to 36, and 36 divided by 36, which equals to 1. So many are thinking this is the right way, but I am telling you this is not the right way. I will solve correctly. Here we have to solve left to right because multiplication and division have the same priority. And in that case, first we have to solve this division. 36 divided by 3, this will give result at 12 times 12. And 12 times 12 will give result here 144. So 144 is the right answer. 1 is not the right answer. And moving to the next, we have 24 divided by 6, parenthesis 2 plus 5 minus 15. So we can write in a simple form. For that, we have to simplify this part. We can write 24 divided by 6 times 2 plus 5 minus 15. Now we will do left to right operations. Again, same concept. 24 divided by 6. This will be answer here 4 times 2 plus 5 minus 15. Again, 4 times 2. This will give result 8 plus 5 minus 15. And 8 plus 5, this will give result here 13 minus 15. 13 minus 15 will give result minus 2, which is the right answer for the second question. And if you're math master, then subscribe us for more videos.